Remember this video? I am showing the actual result. Now you can see my hair a little better. It has matured and it has grown a lot. This piece here, I put this on my hair 2 years ago. It had a feather in it. And it was all the way at the top at the root. And now it's down here. This is how long my hair has grown. I said I'm a freeformer, so my hair doesn't actually have the actual length. As you can see, like I said, I love my hair. I don't care. The color is red and purple in the back. You can't tell too much of that. But this is the 2.5 year update. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed my videos. Also, I am the owner of Naturally Nap Salon located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Have a great day. Bye.